guys, I know it's been like a hot minute since I've been on, but I just wanted to hop on and let you guys know that I've been thinking about you. And I know there's been a lot of noise out there, and just want to say that just be kind to yourself, be kind to each other. Um, so important at the moment to just look after each other and surround yourself with people that are kind to you and are looking after you. Look after each other. Um, hmm, and just fill your life with things that make you feel good. And yeah, I find at the moment that music, that beautiful music, that it's really been therapy at the moment for me. Mm, just dancing to it and walking to it and just being that light in my life at the moment that I've really needed. It's really been that therapy that I've just been needing right now, and just be that kindness and the love that we all need right now for each other. God loves you, and it's gonna be okay. Just got to be there for each other and just rise above the noise. And yeah, love you all, and I'll talk to you later. And hopefully, I'll be on soon. Bye.